Okay. I just trying it out to see where I have to cut it. Like a middle part, yes. Wow, it looks. I gotta go for a middle part. But this is what you have. Okay. So I'm going to spray the front here with this got to be glue blasting free spray, and I'll be right back, and I'm going to blow dry it. So after using the got to be glue blasting free spray, you are going to cut it. So after using 3 layers of this, I probably need to add the foundation. Yeah, mommy. I will see you all later when I'm gonna put it on. Okay, so far it looks good, but it's not wet yet. So we're just gonna put some of the extreme invisible hole lace weight. Okay, so I'll see you there when I done wet this and fix it up. So I did it. I did it. Okay. Okay, only I try something. I try something. Oh god, I don't go paint and do my eyebrows. This is the finished look. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. Period. But yeah, hold on. That's not. Who is this? Who is this? Okay, who is this? Okay, so this is my installation. Okay, that's not. Yeah, guys. So this is how I did my wig. So I'm not good with the part. I end up plucking the part some more. I try my best to make it look realistic, but this is the second time I install wigs, and I actually really like this one the most. So, and I'm very proud of myself. It was really nice. So I'm gonna do my makeup, but if I don't end up doing my makeup and thing, only we get some flawless pictures. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I use this. This works really good instead of the got to be spray. If I had to use this wig is not going to stay on. But yeah, this was a fun video to do. Also, I used this foundation, LA Colors Truly Matte. I used this, and I just had to pour foundation on my face to make it look nice. So yeah, I'll come in. So this came with it is something like a wax stick, but you know that it looks good. So yeah, guys. So that was the whole video. This is the finished product after I went and changed my clothes, put on nice stuff and stuff. This was the installation. Make sure you all check out Megalookhair. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I just need to blend the scalp in some more with more. Yeah, it makes sense now. The foundation that's how to go on my face. That's all. But the edge is still, and that's it. So yeah, I did pretty good. I hope all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and